We're counting down to the close of this session, the 23rd of August 2023, and it's expected that Nvidia will disclose its earnings outcomes. As it stands right now, it is below on its 1 minute chart. It is below its 50-minute moving average, I believe, and it's showing some weakness. Momentum is totally flat. This is the 1 minute chart. I can also see what I can show you the 1 second chart. This is the closest you can get to it. Before I used to think it was the 1 minute NVDA. Let's see what it's indicating here. Okay, this is the closest you can see. This is the closest you can get to what's going on. I mean, it shouldn't be anything smaller than this. Showing strength. This is doing okay, yeah, cycling upwards, I believe. Very, very dramatic. Obviously, very 1 second chart. It should be something like this. The broader market is decaying slightly, but Nvidia is shooting up. I think the earnings may have come out. Let's see. This, you can see the 1 second chart, 1 minute chart hasn't reflected what's going on. Dramatic scenes here. Nvidia, dramatic scenes here. And when the news comes out, it's not going to come out. It's going to take some time to trickle out. Let's see trading view, whether there's anything there. The market hasn't closed. I believe the earnings outcomes are supposed to, okay, ahead of its earnings. They are not out yet. It's when the market closes. Market hasn't closed. US benchmark equity indexes were higher ahead of Wednesday's close. Markets assessed the latest set of retail. Okay, when they're awaiting Nvidia's outcomes, so we're going to stay here and await it. And await. This 1 minute chart hasn't reflected what we have seen on this 1 second chart. Okay, we saw that spike and it has retraced. So if it didn't last for up to a minute, then this chart wouldn't print it. You see that it didn't reflect that, because that was a very short-lived spike. We have a minute before the market closes. It's showing more strength again. Showing more strength. Let's see. 70. Let's see whether this is going to show. It is showing it now, because it's approaching it has approached 1 minute, and things had to update. It updates every 1 minute. All right, yeah, not really. Okay, well, it doesn't. I think it's constantly on the move, constantly changing, but it doesn't print a fixed point. It doesn't fix a point until after every minute it fixes a point. So that's what I should point out. But this is a 1 second chart. It fixes a point every second. You can see the broader market. This is the S&P futures, S&P 500. Is it the futures or what? It's cash. I think it has rebounded for sure compared to what it was earlier on today. Let's see whether any news has filtered. The market has closed. Nvidia's earnings Wednesday will be a big test for AI bulls. I think also for the broader market, because the broader market, or rather, the broader market believes that Nvidia is and the big tech players behind this strength that we saw in the market earlier on. It doesn't. It's cooling off. Obviously, this is the 1 second chart, so that a lot of things can always happen. So this is now the post-market session. Okay, we are. Let's get the 1 minute charts here on Trading View. Projections of we have on the 1 minute chart for on Trading View, projections of all the way to 475.02. Let's refresh and see whether any news has filtered through. No news yet. Okay, let's see. We can actually see whether we can go to their website. Let's see how things are panning out. Let's see. Press release? No. Okay. Let's see. August 22nd. No news yet. In the news, let's see. Maybe not the right place to go. Nvidia in brief. let's keep searching for the news. Okay, no news yet. Yeah, look at that. Look at that blasting up. The news must have come out. Must have turned out positive. 474. Look at that. Definitely has to be a good news. Driving up the S&P 500 as well. Okay, it's cooling off now. Let's see. There's some news. They're still anticipating. No news yet. Huge spike, but it has cooled off. Okay, we're trying to find out what's going on. For sure, the company must have been disclosing the earnings, but it's going to take some time before it filters through. Let's refresh this and see if anything has appeared here. Oh, no, nothing yet. Well, all of these are from yesterday. Nvidia AI ready servers from world's leading system manufacturers to supercharge generative AI for enterprises. That was from yesterday. Showing some weakness. No news yet. Let's keep waiting, keep observing. Whoa, huge drop. Let's see whether anything has filtered through. While we're here, let's quickly have a look at Nikola. Nikola was down 7%, is unchanged in this post-market session. Yeah, we're still waiting. No news yet. Okay, we have the news I think is out. Time of release after close, it's 20 minutes and nothing yet. There must have been something, but they just haven't printed it yet. They haven't it hasn't filtered through yet. Spiking further, huge spike now. Oh my goodness, look at that, 500. Huge spike. The news must have come out. The earnings must have been disclosed. Let's see. Another spike. %5.2%. Okay, that's it here. The earnings are out. Nvidia announces financial results for second quarter of fiscal 2024. Okay, that's it here. It says here that record revenue of $13.51 billion, up 88% from the first quarter, up at 101% from a year ago. Record data 110.32% up. Record data center revenue of $10.32 billion, up 141% from first quarter, up 171% from a year ago. Okay, Nvidia and reported revenue for the second quarter ended July 30, 2023 of $13.51 billion, up 101% from a year ago and up 88% from the same period from the previous quarter. GAAP earnings per diluted share for the quarter were $2.48 billion, up 854% from a year ago and up 202% from the previous quarter. Non-GAAP earnings per diluted share were $2.7, up 429% from a year ago and 148% from the the previous quarter, a new computing era has begun. Companies worldwide are transitioning from general purpose to accelerated computing and generative AI. According to Jensen Huang, Nvidia GPUs connected to their Mellanox networking and switch technologies and running their CUDA AI software parks stack make up the computing infrastructure of generative AI. During the quarter, major cloud service providers announced a massive Nvidia H100 AI infrastructures. Leading enterprise IT system and software providers announced partnership to bring Nvidia AI to every industry. The race is on to adopt generative AI. Okay, during the second quarter of fiscal 2024, Nvidia returned $3.38 billion to shareholders in the form of 7.5 million shares repurchased for $3.28 billion in cash dividends. As of the end of the second quarter, the company had $3.95 billion remaining under the share repurchase authorization. Okay, fascinating stuff. So record revenue of $13.5 billion, up 88%, spiking 7% after hours, driving the broader market $512. I forecasted that it's going to get to $600. Also, you can see that this is the S&P 500 futures rising in sympathy as well. Of course, Nvidia is part of that index, so it's driving up things as well. $515 and spiking. Nvidia's Q2 professional visualization revenue at 379 million versus visible alpha analyst consensus of 323.6 million, although revenue at $253 million. So a record 88% increase in revenue